What is reverse logistics? Reverse logistics is a part of supply chain management where goods move from the end consumer back to the seller, distributor, or manufacturer. It's used to manage many processes, including returns, refurbishment, recycle or repurpose, as well as repairs and maintenance. The goal of reverse logistics is to recoup the value of a product, recycle it, or dispose of it in the most efficient way possible. Want to learn more about reverse logistics? Check out the link in the top right corner. Returns are a major source of expenses for companies, but also a big factor in building customer loyalty and creating repeat business. Effective reverse logistics not only improves the returns process for the customer, it also helps businesses create added value by turning those returned goods, which may be disposed of, into sales. An added bonus, effective reverse logistics also minimizes storage and distribution costs. Hey, did you like what you learned about reverse logistics? Don't forget to check out this link or this video, and of course, subscribe now.